The FinOps framework is absolutely excellent at the period of vibe coding, because it gives us a very clear set of environment where the FinOps team should be the only one able to vibe code. When everyone can vibe code, you're going to create hundreds, if not thousands, of duplicates. And each of these duplicates will get the data differently, will integrate differently, will report differently. And this is just going to create chaos. So what you want to have is very clear perimeters. And these perimeters then can communicate only through data layers or API or things like this. Remember, now with vibe coding, salespeople can create their own variation of a CRM. With vibe coding, marketing can create their own vibe and tooling. Procurement can get data from contract and share them with the world. You do not need a tech team anymore that coordinates all of this. So it's very important that you need, as a governance thing, that we all agree on where we are the masters and how we're going to share the data. Because otherwise, it's going to be a mess. And that's going to explode. Thank you very much.